In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write a program for Arduino to blink a LED with an interval of 1 second. To write the program, open up your Arduino software and start writing. First of all, we have to define the setup function. Inside the setup function, we would set up the 13th pin as the output pin. The return type of the setup function is void. To set the 13th pin as the output pin, we have to call the function named pin mode. The first parameter would be the number of the pin, and the second parameter would be whether it is input or output. We are going to use the 13th pin as the output pin. Okay, we have completed defining our setup function. Now we are going to define our loop function. Loop function is the main function of any Arduino program. The main program starts here and it loops again and again until you have power connected to the Arduino board. The return type of the main function, that is loop function, is void. In the digital world, there is only two states, that is the switch is on or the switch is off. The current is following or the current is not following, that is 1 or 0, or you may call it low or high. To power up the LED, we have to provide high signal to the 13 pin, and when we want to turn it off, we have to use the low signal for the 13 pin. To write high or low to the pin specified, we have to use the function named digital write. The first parameter would be the number of the pin. We are using 13 pin as the output pin, and first time we want to provide power to the 13 pin, that is we are going to turn it on. Now we are going to wait for 1 second. To wait for some time, we have to use the function named delay. In the delay function, we have to specify the second in milliseconds, the time in milliseconds. 1 second equals to 1000 milliseconds. Okay, the LED would be turned on for 1 second, and after that we are going to turn off the switch for the 13th pin. So we are going to use digital write once again. The pin number is 13 and the signal would be low, that is current is not following to the 13th pin. Again we are going to delay for 1 second. Okay, we have completed writing our loop function. After completing this segment of code, it would go to the first of the loop function and it would loop again and again and again and again. That's all. Now I am going to demonstrate you how to set up your Arduino to the computer and blink your LED. To upload this program to your Arduino board, you have to click on this button, and after few seconds you would see that the uploading is complete and you are ready to blink your LED.
We have completed uploading the sketch to our Arduino board, so we can test it now by connecting the Arduino board to our PC or any other external power source, or even you can use a USB charger for powering your Arduino board. So I am connecting my PC's USB cable to the Arduino board. We have set up 13 pin as the digital output. So we put the long leg of the LED to the 13 pin and the short leg to the ground pin. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, now you can see that it's blinking perfectly after 1 second. It's turning off and turning on, and once it's looping repeatedly. So that's all.